FSET is an English test which includes a reading and a listening section. In the reading section, a typical exercise requires you to read a passage and to answer a set of questions. In the listening section, a typical exercise requires you to listen to an audio clip and to answer a set of questions. You can play the audio clip no more than 2 times. FSET has a time limit. You have 25 minutes to complete all the exercises in the reading section and up to 25 minutes to complete all the exercises in the listening section. You can see the timer counting down at the top left of the screen. Remember, the timer is counting down for the whole reading or listening section, not just the single exercise you are in. Check the progress bar to see how many more exercises you have left in the section and pace yourself accordingly to avoid running out of time. When starting an exercise, always read the instructions and the questions carefully. Some questions require 1 correct answer, some require 2 correct answers. Answer to the best of your ability, and when you are happy with your selections, click the next button at the bottom right of the screen. Good luck!